Here's a pace car, unique, especially in classics, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette pace car. This would have the trim tag with 19U for the black upper, 47M. That 7 on the bottom, and this one has the silver leather interior. 350 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. I've not had the AC compressor kick on and off. Just so you know, also paint in this one, it does show its age some. You can see some, kind of just a little bit of stressing up here in the nose cone. And some spotting. But has a nice shine to it. One of those, get in it, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, riding on the stock wheels. Goodyear radials, of course, T-top car. This does have the glass mirrored T-tops. Just have them taken out for pictures and to show you a little better look at the interior with them out. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's the mirrored T-tops. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, paint showing its age a little bit here and there, as you can see in the top of the car behind the T-tops. This little spot over here also. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. Did play around with it a little bit. There is an aftermarket stereo in there. That is working. Wipers work. Headlights and headlight doors also both work. Let's go ahead and release that hood. I'll be able to show you the engine bay after we start it up here. Tilt column, of course. Telescopic wheel. Power windows. Power locks. Take a look at the seat here too before I guess I get in it. A few little wear spots on it. That is the correct silver leather. Odometer shows 30,411. Once the car becomes so old, that is not carried through on the title, so it would just be marked exempt for the mileage on the title. So it's tough to confirm or deny. And let's go ahead, start this up. Also, power antenna does work. There you can see the tach is working. The rest of the gauge cluster looks like it's working with the exception of the clock. Stereo. I'll pull the headlights on too. So check that out. So headlights are working. Power antenna. Slip around to the rear so you can hear it run. Guess what you'd expect out of a 78 Corvette with a 350 underneath the hood. Headlights working.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is. Pretty stock looking engine bay. You get power steering, power brakes, AC. I have not had the AC compressor kick on and off though. this car, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.